A sleepy face with a secret strength. Koalas spend up to 20 hours a day resting, digesting eucalyptus leaves that few animals can tolerate. Their fingerprints are so similar to humans that even scientists can be fooled. Each koala has a unique rumbling call, surprising from such a small body. Mothers carry joeys in pouches, later on their backs, as they learn to climb. Koalas have 2 thumbs on each hand, perfect for gripping trees. Despite their calm look, they are strong climbers and fiercely protective. They are gentle icons of Australia, clinging to survival in shrinking forests. If koalas warmed your heart, follow for more cuddly yet powerful creatures.